Hey everybody, this is your Core Bytes number 57, so make sure you check your work and make corrections on your paper. So for number 1, it says Shannon uses 36 beads for each bracelet she makes. How many beads will she need to make 12 bracelets? So if she has 36 beads on each bracelet, she's making 12, we're going to have to multiply to find the answer. So if you take your 36 beads, multiply that times the 12 bracelets you want to make. We've got a 2-digit times a 2-digit. So we're going to start over here. So 2 times 6 is 12. Regroup. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then remember, we're going to hold that place value. And now we're going to do this side. So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we're going to add those up. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer is she's going to have 432 beads to make those 12 bracelets. Here we're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So let's see. So we're going to start here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay? So if this is our 10,000s, we're going to look at the 5. The 5 is going to tell our 7 to go up. So it's going to have to go up to 8. So the only one, guys, with these answers that works would be A. Because here they rounded down. Here they didn't even round it, really. They only rounded the ones place. So your best answer is going to be 180,000. For number 3, write the number to complete the pattern of equivalent fractions. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8, 12, 16, and then missing number. So 1/4, 2 8s, 3 12s, 4 16s, 5 somethings. So let's see. 1 times 2, 4 times 2. Okay, then we've got, or I think we're just going up, let's see. So 4 times 2, 8 times 3, but then here you're adding, so that doesn't make any sense. So for the pattern, basically you're just 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you're just going up on the denominator by 4 each time. So 4 to 8 to 12 to 16, so then you would have 20. And then here you're just going up by 1. So I know fractions can be confusing, guys, and we're going to be doing more with those. Order the units from greatest to least. So we have kilometers, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. So largest to smallest. So a kilometer is similar to a mile, right? But it's in the metric system. So then you would have the meter, like a meter stick, similar to a yardstick. And then you would have centimeters, so think of inches. And then you would have millimeters, which would be your smallest. And then your last one says, is this a line of symmetry? And if you look at it, it already has an arrow drawn on it. So if you fold it, the arrow is not going to be the same on either side. So the answer there would be no. So please make your changes on your paper.